Hello, good day to you. Continuing my topic about OpenStack administration, I want to talk about the virtualization types that OpenStack support. OpenStack OpenStack actually supports a couple of different hypervisors. So hypervisors are, the thing that actually runs the virtual machines. Let's go to the OpenStack page. So this is the OpenStack page where it talks about hypervisors and the list of the hypervisor that it supports. So you can see here there are a couple of lists, starting from KVM, kernel-based virtual machine. So that is a KVM. The next one is LXC. So if you want to use the Linux containers, rather than KVM, that is possible. We have Chemo, we have UML. So these are for development purposes only. So you should not really be using these. Or if you want to be running Linux virtual machines, you should. I think KVM is like the most popular. So there's also VMware, vSphere, there's Zen Server, there's Hyper-V. So Hyper-V actually is important, for Windows. If you want to run Windows, on your OpenStack, so check this out. Virtuoso. So these are like the list. So that the options that you can do. So you can actually change the type of virtualization in OpenStack, and the parameter that actually speaks to that is the what is called the virt type. So there's virt type. So let's go to the configuration file. So this is my OpenStack. So on the compute node or the controller node, either of the two, but I am running on a all-in-one installation right now, so my computer and controller are on the same. But the file you have to check out is the etc nova.conf. So let me put that here. It's the etc nova.conf. So let's go in there, and when we go in there, you can search for virt type. So virt type. So as you can see here, it gives us the values that are allowed here: KVM, LXC, Chemo, UML, or Zen, and Parallels. So right now I have my virt type as KVM, which is like the most popular, especially if you are running only Linux virtual machines. So, but if you want to use LXC, you have to change from the virt type parameter. So when you've changed the virt type parameter, then you also have to make sure you restart the OpenStack the Nova service. Let me get the name. These are like the services that relates to OpenStack Nova. So OpenStack Nova, I will encourage you to no, let me copy the services. Okay, yeah, let's see if you can see it here. But I have OpenStack Nova API service, OpenStack Nova SAT service, OpenStack Nova Compute service, OpenStack Nova Conductor service, OpenStack Console All service, OpenStack Console service, OpenStack Metadata service. So all the services that relate to Nova. So make sure you restart them. You can actually do something like this. So let me clear my screen. So you can do something like this. So it's going to restart all the service that start with OpenStack Nova. So if you change the virtualization type, so basically this is what I want to show in this video. So if you think you want to experiment with Linux containers, you can change to LXC. So like we see from the documentation, Chemo and UML are for development purposes. If you use Chemo, you are going to find out that it's going to be slow. The virtual machines are going to be kind of slow. So like if you want to be running Linux virtual machines, KVM is the way to go. So this is the short information I want to bring to you. So, and if you plan to run Windows especially, so the ones that can run Windows are Hyper-V and VMware vSphere. So I think you have to take note of that. So there are some people have asked me questions on my YouTube channel about running Windows virtual machines. So the virtualization type, it's important. So for you to choose which operating system you can actually run. So let me know if this video makes sense. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in some other videos. Bye. Take care.